a flight to Maui, so I'm not sure if you can hear this okay, but I'm going to show you when you come inside of our community. This is what's so freaking great about it. First of all, we've got all of our courses in here, and you can go in and watch videos at your own pace. Every time we do a seminar, we put it in here as a course. And then, for the things we're talking about, we have a really good search function here, so I'm just going to show you our things we like. Where we at? Right here. So once we go into things we like, scroll down, we've got our brands we love, bars and jerky, but we got everything that you could possibly imagine to make this work in a modern lifestyle. All the correct ingredients. So super, super solid. Also in here we've got, a ton of recipes. The recipes are amazing. So, shameless plug for the site, and if you want to give it a shot, I'm going to give you a free trial link, and we'd love to see you in there, but if not, no pressure. I'm an open book, living a life of service. Any questions you have, just let me know.